Hey, what's up, everyone? It's TechWares. Today is December 8th, 2025. The year has flown by, and finally, we get some pretty solid, and I say pretty solid because the news is directly kind of from Intel. A few days ago, it was reported, about 2 days ago, reported that Intel formally confirms the existence of Arc Battlemage BMG G31 SoC. All right, the GPU in the software update. So this has pretty much been kind of leaked, data mined, and so on and so forth throughout the past few months. Now that we're in December, it was predicted that it was possibly going to be released in Q4 of 2025. It's December, Christmas coming up. The year's almost over. So a larger Arc Battlemage is coming. So this is from Video Cards. They go on to say this went under the radar, but apparently Intel is now ready for Big Battlemage, the elusive BMG G31 GPU, SoC, the Arc GPU is based off that. It's been rumored in headlines since the end of 2024. It looks like the launch of this card may be finally be coming. It's pretty imminent. It looks like for the first time, Intel has put the name of this graphics processor on a software update page, not hidden in a changelog for some open source Linux update. The name of this GPU appeared in Vtune Profiler. The tool was updated on November 4th, it seems. The update brought two things in terms of hardware support. And here, they list them right here, or there's a screenshot right here. New features, support for Intel Arc Battlemage, and they go on to put in brackets BMG G31 and Intel Core Ultra 3 processors. That's the Panther Lake. So the new version of Vtune brings support for BMG G31 and also Panther Lake. They go on to say the latter needs no explanation. Intel has already shared deep dive architecture overview of Panther Lake. So we all know about everything about Panther Lake. It's next gen client series for laptops, handhelds, and mini PCs. What catches the attention of video cards and everybody else, including myself, is the Battlemage G31 GPU, the large discrete GPU that we have been waiting to hear more about from Intel for months. Since both products appeared alongside each other, it's safe to assume that their announcement will be either at the same time or very close. Video cards goes on to say we already know that Panther Lake is launching at CES 2026. If Intel has an event for that, for the launch of Panther Lake. Early rumors put BMG G31 launching by the end of this year. Like I said earlier, it was all the rumors were pointing to Q4 2025. But with zero teasers from from the Intel marketing team, at this point, they're going to say, at this point, I'm sure it does not exist. It is safe to assume it is not launching this year. And they go on to say sort of what we know about it, and these are the so-called rumored specs. GPU, like I said, BMG G31 SoC, 32 Xe2 cores. They put a question mark because, of course, these are all rumors. We don't know nothing about the clock of the GPU clock. Nothing about the memory. They're going to put 16 gigs of GDDR6. Memory bus 256-bit. Memory speed we don't know. Maximum memory bandwidth we don't know. PCIe. It says PCIe 5 by 16. We don't know. Of course, we don't know any of these. Launch date we don't know. MSRP we don't know. Board power we don't know. So that's that. And now today, there is this rumor. Once again, this is a rumor. Intel is reportedly working on a 300-watt graphics GPU. Shipping manifest show. The Intel 300 desktop GPU surfaces and shipping data. Possible Arc B770. So, these are the shipping data. So we know that the B580 comes with 190 watt TDP, while the B570 is around 150 watt. So a bracket designed for 300 watts suggests Intel is at least testing a much larger GPU, a desktop die with headroom for spare for overclocking, etc. So who knows what this 300 watt GPU is? Could be B770. Um, so yeah, we have to wait and see. But hey, CES is next month, you know. So we have to wait and see what Intel does at CES, what they have to announce. We know Panther Lake, maybe they have some other stuff, and honestly, it kind of sort of makes sense for them to announce it around the same time as Panther Lake, because Panther Lake, they were talking about XeSS 3, and if Panther Lake is gonna launch with XeSS 3, then you can kind of fit in the B770 announcement right there as well, and you can also promote and market XeSS 3 with B770 as well. So we have to wait and see, but Intel's really keeping this like a really tight secret, man. I really hope they were kind of more open with their discrete graphics cards, but it's kind of they're very tight-lipped, man. And I did my own research, and there's several teams around the world, teams of Intel teams in Toronto, in Poland, in Malaysia, in India, and of course in Folsom in the U.S. as well, that work on Arc, that like specifically discrete graphics. Intel has a big team that work on specifically Intel Arc discrete graphics. I'm talking about these video cards, like the ones that slot into your motherboard, not the Arc integrated. So Intel still has a big team dedicated to discrete graphics, and for all these teams to be pretty, of course they're employees, so they have to be under NDA and company confidential information. But there's a lot of teams working on Intel Arc discrete. So that right there lets me know that Intel Arc is not going anywhere. Discrete is not going anywhere. There's still a large team, multiple teams that are working on it. And I've also seen people that are working on Xe3P discrete, like for example Celestial, the C series, and even Xe4. I've not seen the teams working like with my own eyes. They're working on it, but I've seen in how can I say this, in their job descriptions, a few Intel employees that have put in their job descriptions that they're working on Xe4 and they're working on Xe3P or Celestial. So I've seen this with my own eyes. I'm not gonna put it up on the screen for everybody else to see, because I don't want to really show and expose things like that. But I've seen it. But it is what it is. So I'm really excited for B770. I'm really kind of sad also that not many people that have huge channels aren't really talking about this, because I'm more excited about Intel Arc discrete graphics than I am about AMD and NVIDIA, because we already know what NVIDIA is going to do. We already know what AMD is going to do. Intel being the third player is very interesting. Very interesting. And that's what excites me about Intel Arc. So yeah, hopefully B770 gets announced soon and we get to learn more about it. Take care everyone. Peace. Hope you guys have a great year. If I don't make any other videos. See you guys in 2026. Peace.